Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, let's uncover the amazing benefits of a kitchen superhero, apple cider vinegar. Many studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar in your diet can help you on your wellness journey immensely. Studies propose that apple cider vinegar may aid in weight loss by promoting fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. It may also improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, and is particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Moreover, consuming apple cider vinegar before meals may help control appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake and potential weight management benefits. Now let's talk digestive health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may enhance nutrient absorption and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. But that's not all. Preliminary studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar contains antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, consuming apple cider vinegar before meals may help control appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake and potential weight management benefits. Some studies also suggests that apple cider vinegar supports the body's natural detoxification processes, assisting in the elimination of toxins. Topical application of diluted apple cider vinegar may help improve certain skin conditions, such as acne or eczema, due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Rinsing hair with diluted apple cider vinegar may enhance shine, reduce dandruff, and promote a healthy scalp environment. It's important to note that while these potential benefits are supported by some scientific studies and anecdotal evidence, individual responses can vary. As with any health-related practice, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or concerns.